Hello everybody and welcome to my channel Cooking Addiction. Today I'll be demonstrating one of the most requested recipe on my channel, and that is Goa's popular dessert known as Bebinca. Some say it Bebik, and it's also known as queen of Goan desserts. So let's see how you prepare this dessert.
So you start by whisking 12 egg yolks in a bowl until creamy. In a separate bowl, take 750 ml of thick coconut milk which is extracted from 4 medium-sized coconuts. Add sugar to it and mix it until the sugar is completely dissolved. Then add the coconut milk to the egg yolks and mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder and all the flour to the coconut milk and egg mixture. You can also use 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg powder if you don't use cardamom powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt just to enhance the taste. Then take a strainer and strain this mixture to remove all the impurities and lumps. Put 1 tablespoon of ghee in the baking pan and then add 2 ladles of batter in it and cook it in the oven for at least 15 to 20 minutes till it turns golden brown in color. In this recipe I'll be using the traditional clay oven, but if you all are using electric oven, preheat your oven at 180 degrees Celsius and the source of heat should be from top. Once you get desired color on the layer, put another tablespoon of clarified butter. Pour another layer of batter of the same thickness as the previous one and cook it in the oven until golden brown. Keep repeating the layering process till all the batter is used up. The last layer must be of ghee. When it is done, turn the bebinca over a flat dish or cut it into wedges and serve it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream.
If you like this video, please do like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.